Hello everyone, I'm Abbas and welcome to this new video which is based on the Django. So you need to know only the basics of Python or intermediate of Python, and you need to install the Python on your machine. It's a simple instruction, and also need Python package manager, which is pip. We are using pip in this project, so you need to install the pip. Okay, there are two commands. One is for installing pip on the Unix or Linux system, and second is the installing Django. Okay, for installing Django, so we are creating a blog. You can see there is a blog, and we are creating a blog model which is a post. There is only one model, so post has a title, body, created date, updated date, and draft, and user only see the blog without login or authentication. So in the other video, we are creating a Django project, and we are watching the file directory file structure of this framework. So thank you very much.